If your Chevy Traverse won't turn over, don't call the tow truck just yet. The fix is often simpler than you think. Statistically, nearly half of all starting failures in GM crossovers are caused by a weak battery or loose terminal connections. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to find exactly why your engine is staying silent. First, verify the basics like your gear position and key fob battery before moving to the engine bay. Check your battery terminals for corrosion or looseness, as even a slightly loose ground can kill the starting circuit. If the engine cranks but won't fire, you're likely looking at a fuel delivery or ignition system failure. A jump start might get you moving, but if your battery is over 4 years old, it's time for a replacement. While a battery is a cheap DIY fix, a failed starter or fuel pump can quickly climb into the hundreds. Using an OBD2 scanner is the fastest way to see if a crank or cam sensor is preventing the start. Keep these basic tools in your Traverse to ensure you're never stranded by a minor electrical glitch. Remember to prioritize safety whenever you're troubleshooting mechanical or electrical components under the hood. Most Traverse starting issues are easy fixes. Check that battery first and you'll be back on the road in no time.